straighteners were found overall to have a 9% increased associated risk of breast cancer. When they looked at it by race, 45% increased risk for African American women overall, and if those women were frequent users of hair dye, that risk went up to 60% for African Americans.
So these were women with a risk to begin with.
Right.
In the meantime, we know more study is needed, and you wanted to put this into the proper context.
A couple of caveats. First of all, this was a high-risk population, so the results may not again was based on association, not cause and effect.
How does that happen?
We need to get the girls ready, please.
So these were women with a risk to begin with.
Right.
In the meantime, we know more study is needed, and you wanted to put this into the proper context.
A couple of caveats. First of all, this was a high-risk population, so the results may not average again was based on association, not cause and effect.
How does that happen?